Hi guys, happy Thursday. It is Thursday today. I'm here with Spencer, my fiance.
What's up?
So we are about to go see a venue. It's our second one or third one, something like that. So we're gonna go see it. We're really excited because this one is one that like we really wanted to see. So we're gonna go see it and we're excited. We've been planning our wedding here and there. So yeah, we're super excited. Babe, do you have anything you want to say?
I hope we really like this place because it's close.
I know it's
really
really close.
Affordable. So
Yeah, it's affordable and it's close to the church that we want to get married
it's
in.
really cute. And yeah.
Yeah, so we have a few options that are pretty close actually, babe, that we like a lot, huh? I feel. So this is the first one that we're going to. So wish us luck, guys. We will probably vlog you guys after. I'll try to get some clips and like insert it into the video because I don't know if I'll be allowed to like, sorry, motorcyclist. I don't know if if I will be allowed to like take out the camera and whip it out and like start videotaping. So yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. But we're really excited, guys. I have my wedding planner here and everything. So we'll catch you guys up and vlog you guys later.
Bye.
It's been a while. Hi guys, I'm here with Spencer.
Hi everyone.
We just came back from the venue and guys, this is crazy, but I think that's the venue. We still want to see this other venue on Sunday, so we'll probably take you along with us as well, but I'm pretty sure that that's our venue. So I don't know, like this is like the third one that we've seen, but I'm pretty sure. I don't know, I'm pretty sure. But anyways, we're just waiting for pizza and we're gonna watch The Good Place because we're still not done with it yet. So we're gonna do that and then I'll probably vlog you guys later and I'll probably show you guys a few things at my house. Like I want to show you guys the bridesmaid boxes and all of that good stuff. So I want to do that, but I don't know though because I don't want my bridesmaids to see it. So I don't know. Maybe I'll just show you guys the boxes and stuff. But yeah, we'll go ahead and vlog you guys later. Here's our pizza, guys. We got half pepperoni and cheese, and then we got half pepperoni, sausage, and cheese. So, delicious. So we're in the car again. We are on our way to my house because Spencer's gonna drop me off. And I'll probably just hang out with you guys. There isn't much going on anymore today, but we had a pretty good day. We're really excited about the venue we saw. We've been talking about it. We have a really good feeling about it. We'll probably know by the end of this week if that's our venue or not. I know that's crazy to say, but I feel like we're at that point right now. So yeah, we'll go ahead and vlog you guys later. Well, I'll vlog you later. Spencer will. Say bye, babe.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, you probably won't see him again, but you'll see me. Okay guys, we have the boxes in here. So this is a Groomsmen box that I kind of have put together. I guess I can kind of show you guys what's in the Groomsmen box because none of Spencer's friends watch my videos. So here's the Groomsmen box. We put their name on it here. And then on the inside, I put this lantern because our theme is going to be tangled. So we did that there. And then on the inside, I made these little cards on the Cricut. It says, my future wife said this would be cuter than a text. Will you be my groomsman? So I put that in there. So he decided to do Star Wars socks. And they're really cute for all his groomsmen. And like I said, I made this stand with me on the Cricut. So I made that. And then we included a little flask here. And I bought the flask. And again, with the permanent vinyl, I put on the name. And then I also made these little shot glasses with their names on them. They're also engraved with permanent vinyl. Or not engraved, but like, I guess like I put permanent vinyl on there. And then here's the tissue paper. It's a lot bigger than we wanted. Actually, it's funny because the bridesmaid boxes are actually smaller and they have more stuff in them. So yeah, the only thing that's missing from the inside of there is just like a detail card, which I have an example over here. So it's just supposed to kind of like show who, like the bridesmaid and the role and all of that stuff. I actually found these on Etsy and I thought they were super cute and I wanted to include them on there. So these are just like duds though, because I ended up not using those. I had to make new ones because I didn't like the way that they came out. But I included those in the bridesmaid boxes, and then I'm going to also include them in the groomsmen boxes. So I have that. So we're really excited, guys. Honestly, I really think that this venue we saw is it. Like, I feel it. But we do want to go look at the other venues because, you know, we just want to double check, just make sure. Like, I'm ready to just be like, I'm done, that's the venue. But Spencer still thinks we should look around, even though he kind of feels the same way, because he's just that type of person. So, you know, just in case. So yeah, guys, that's just a quick little vlog for you guys. We are gonna keep vlogging over the weekend, so we'll show you guys even more venues. But I just wanted to put up this quick video because I'm sorry I haven't been super consistent. I've just been really busy, like with the Cricut and everything. But you know what, I actually thought, you know, I should have probably filmed when I was making all of the like bridal party, like proposal things and all of that stuff, like the bridesmaid boxes and all of the Cricut, like the whole Cricut process, because I have a Cricut, guys. It's my baby. It's right here. Oops, sorry. And I got all of these tools for the Cricut. And then I have the little like tools in here. So yeah, like I have the whole area, and then I have all of my Cricut things down there, scissors and all of that good stuff. I have like the what are they called? The boards or the mats like in the corners. So yeah, and then I even bought like this whole like Cricut board over here. Like, I am pretty intense about this, and I'm so excited to keep DIYing things. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I really hope that you guys like this video. I just wanted to update you guys because I am engaged and I'm super excited. So yeah, we'll probably do a little wedding series, and this will probably be the first video. We do want to let us know if you want to see like anything else, like a Q&A, or maybe I can show you guys how I made like the bridal things and like the process of that. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I really hope that I get to see your beautiful face in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, beautiful person.